Start recording, everyone. We want to see everyone's fucking VOD.
Make sure you equip your cleansers, Blue.
I did. Right, let's fucking go. Or like they called, let go, see. Right, only group 1 on point. Only group 1 on point. The rest stand by, stand by, stand by. Don't do anything. Stand by, stand by. Wait. Let them come on point. Let them come on point. Alright, bomb left side of the point. Bottom left, everyone. Bottom left. Declamp now. Declamp. It's enough. Fucking lovely. Declamp, guys. Declamp. Spread around the point. Spread around the point now. Spread around the point. Right. Bomb bottom of the point. Bottom of and bottom left, guys. Again. From left side towards the right side we have to go. Everyone should come left side of the point right now. Right, play alive. Respawn bot. Why we have no respawn bot on, guys? Right, bomb top left, guys. Top left and left side. Top left and left side. Yo, I need a respawn bot, guys. I don't care who is gonna log out right now. Fucking bring the respawn bot out. Play alive, guys. Play alive. Respawns in 10 seconds.
5, 4,
Right.
3, 2, 1. Respawn.
I'm dead. I'm on my way back. Yo, guys, bomb left side now. Left side of the point. Right, fall back to A. Scouts come A as well.
2, 1. Respawn.
Buy some extra cleansers for the
I'm on A now and I'm getting
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Form the line by the bonfire. By the bonfire. Form the line. Bomb top right now, guys. Declamp. It's enough. Declamp. They're gonna counter bomb. Yo, just declamp from there. The fuck? I said declamp.
4, 3, 2, 1. Respawn.
We're waiting. We're gonna looking to bomb in 15 seconds. Respawn are just coming, yeah? Respawn are just coming. Play alive for now. We're looking to bomb in 10 seconds. Just play alive, guys. Play alive. Bomb top left now. Sorry, right. I got it wrong, sorry. Declamp, guys. It's enough. Declamp. Declamp from the bottom right, guys.
5, 4.
Play alive for now.
1.
Right, we got a bomb bottom right, everyone. Right, declamp. It's enough, declamp. They counter bombing. Declamp.
2, 1.
Respawn's just coming now. Yeah, we're looking to bomb in 15 seconds. Play alive. Play alive for now. Right, we got a bomb bottom left and left side, guys. Everyone.
2, 1. Respawn.
Declamp. It's enough. Declamp, everyone. Respawn's incoming. We're looking to bomb in 10 seconds. Just declamp from left side.
5, 4, 3.
Alright, we're looking to bomb bottom of the point. Whoever can bomb bottom of the point. Declamp, guys.
5,
Respawn's incoming, guys. Respawn incoming. Play alive for now. Play alive. Just bomb bottom of the point. Bomb bottom of the point now. Bottom left again. Bottom left. Bottom left. Declamp. Declamp, guys. Declamp.
5, 4,
Right. Drop.
3, 2,
Drop to fort. Drop to fort. Drop to fort. IGVG is inside. Repair gates. I think they're gonna pick up cleanses. Pick up cleanses if you need. Just repair Seagate for now. Repair Seagate for now. Everyone drop inside the fort. Respawns in 10 seconds. You have time to revive if you die. So don't panic if you die. You can die. But don't prolong it. Guys, if you cannot get in, just die. Yeah?
We're not dropping this point, guys. As we strong.
Everyone, ice wall Seagate. Ice wall Seagate, everyone. Don't let them through. Don't let them through.
respawn in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Respawn.
I need the A gate repaired, guys. A gate repaired. B gate as well. Keep on repairing the other two gates. Just play safe. Play safe.
Air gate's down. There's nobody here on air gate.
Okay, go, drop back to A gate. The group's on A gate. 4 and 5.
Seconds.
B is going down. B is down now.
Okay, group 1 and 2, come B. Group 1 and 2, come B. 4, 5, A. 3, 6 on C gate. Back gates. 10 on 10 and 7. Bomb top of point, guys. Right now, top of point, everyone.
Respawn in 10 seconds.
Alright, declamp, play alive, play alive. Respawn's incoming in 5 seconds. Play alive for now.
3, 2, 1. Respawn.
Bomb top of point now. Respawn's incoming. Just bomb top of point. Top right, top left, sorry. Top left. Declamp, guys. Declamp, it's enough. Bomb bottom of the point. On the dead zone. Declamp. Respawn's incoming. Just declamp for now. Play alive for 5 seconds. Play alive. Right, bomb bottom of the point. Respawn should be here. Bottom of the point, everyone. Bottom of the point. Declamp now. Declamp. Declamp from bottom right. Declamp.
Respawn in 10 seconds.
Play alive around the point. Play alive. Respawn's coming in 5 seconds. Just play alive, guys. Play alive. Don't bomb anywhere. Don't die anywhere.
Respawn.
Respawn's incoming. Don't die. We're gonna bomb bottom left, everyone. Bottom left, everyone.
Yeah, they've got decks on it.
Declamp, guys. Declamp. It's enough.
But I couldn't.
Someone come and kill the healers right side of the point.
Guys, bottom of the point. Bomb bottom of the point again.
Now, do we have to gonna go down and stop because this is not
We need all the bodies around the point, on point, guys. Everyone jump down on point and bomb bottom of the point right now. Just bomb bottom of the point, guys. Bomb bottom of the point. Keep on bombing there. Keep fucking killing them.
5, 4,
Declamp bottom. Run towards the top a bit.
I'm down. Rush in 20.
Response 20 seconds. Play alive, guys. Play alive for now. Play alive. If they don't hard ticking, play alive for now. Play alive.
We're still down ticking.
It's cool. Play alive. Don't die. Respawn in 5.
respawn in 10 seconds.
We're respawning now. Get gates up. Get A gate up. No one is at A gate coming through, so we can get it up.
2, 1.
Right, bomb right side. Bomb right side of the point. Right side, everyone. Use everything you have. Declamp now. It's fine. It's enough. Declamp.
Respawn in 10 seconds.
Respawn's coming, 10 seconds. Just play alive, guys, play alive.
4, 3, 2, 1. Respawn.
Right, just... Oh, man. Bomb bottom right again, guys. Bomb bottom right. Respawn just income. Everyone should bomb bottom right. And declamp now, and declamp, because they counter bombing. Declamp.
Respawn in 10 seconds.
We need peoples on the tunnel. We need Dex group on the tunnel. Kill the free casting healers, guys. Everyone on point right now. Bomb bottom of the point. Bomb bottom left, everyone. Everyone stuck on point.
This clumping so hard, like it should be punished.
Right, no worries, guys. GG's. It's fine. We know already, like they are over us, like, you know, on skills and everything. So we shouldn't stress out. But it's good training, like, you know, we have to look back what we did wrong and see how we can improve.
Respawn.
I just had the OPR you can't move bug, you know. I just had that in a war, so
Like Jin his
I had that last one.
yeah, that one. I can't move and no one can see me from the enemy team as well. It was really weird.
Yeah, no, I had.
And someone guessed where I was and killed me, and then after like dying twice, it fixed itself. It was really weird.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Respawn.
Just like I said, don't stress out. They are playing way longer than us together. We are at start, yeah. So to fight companies like Legacy, Nemesis, or Aten. I don't know if Aten is still around because I can't see them on map anywhere.
Respawn.
We need time and we need practice a lot together.
5,
There's nothing to be worried about because we lost this war or because we died many times or whatever, yeah. But like again, we